Okay, so I'm just putting the final seedlings into the seed tray here, bore coal, and after 5 days of, well, 5 days from being a dry seed in a seed packet, we now have a root, a shoot that is photosynthesizing, 2 green leaves, and exudates going out through the roots, building the bridge, building the connection between the plant and the life in the soil, which is what creates the regenerative system. So already in 5 days, it's unbelievable, and it always amazes me how strong the impulse is in our seeds and in living things to find the bridge, find the connections, find the communication, and move towards regeneration. All we have to do is support the process.